Welcome to Storm Chasers. This is how we do it. This is how we ain't scared shit. We're gonna go out there and get that storm. Let's go.
Oh my god. Daniel almost got freaking hit by lightning.
Welcome back to Storm Chasers. Last time was a fluke. I ain't scared of shit. I was born in the South, raised in Texas and Kentucky. We chase things scarier than storms all the time, so let's go get the storm. Show the storm who's boss. Come on, let's go get her.
No. Oh my god.
Welcome to Storm Chasers. We can't chase a storm today because I'm selling a sock for a wedding. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We got a tornado here. We gotta take care of this.
Oh my god.
Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We're gonna get out there. It takes a big man to admit he made a mistake, but today there's nothing out there. There's no storms, there's no tornadoes, there's no sounds that are scary or nothing. So it's gonna be okay, small steps. But we're gonna get out there and we're gonna show who's boss. Let's go. See, this ain't too bad. Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's just fine. Everything's gonna be okay.
Oh my god, Trent, get in the basement.
Welcome back to Storm Chasers. It's a nighttime storm out there, so we're gonna go get it. We're gonna tell the storm to fuck off. Let's go. No more getting scared. Let's do it. Hey everybody, Bud from Storm Chasers here. I never said my name until now, but it's a special day. So I thought I'd tell you my name's Bud. Nice to meet you. Sometimes there's more important things to chase than the storm. The love of family and friends, Christmas cheer. Giving and caring. I'll tell you, I got something here that really made my day. Boy, I love that band. That's a band called Goat Feather. Anyway, just wanted to say, this season, if you're bald like me, don't bury your head in the snow, or you'll get an instant migraine. Merry Christmas. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We're not scared. We're going to go right out there and we're going to get it. No talk. Let's do it. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We got a big tornado, big winds. We're gonna get in there, not scared. Let's get it. See? Not scared.
Trent, we need to get shelter now.
Trent. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. It's a sunny, clear day today. There are some slight winds, but that's it. So enjoy your day. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We got high winds and a thunderstorm starting. Let's get it. I could do it. I'm strong. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We got a rainstorm. Let's get it. Where the fuck did that come from? Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We got a nice thunderstorm today. A classic summer thunderstorm. We're gonna get it. Let's get it. I did it. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We got a nighttime storm, a twilight storm out there. We're gonna get it. I'm gonna show you the storm, and then I'm gonna show you me, and I'm still gonna be right here. Let's get it. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We don't got a storm today. We're doing some cooking back at the home. I've been making banana bowls. My wife loves it when I make banana bowls. You just put banana in the bowl. So and that's we call that back home a banana bowl. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. Today we got some sleet. Weather's dipping dots. Let's get it. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We got some small sleet today. Don't let it hit you. Let's get it. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We got extreme winds tonight, and this is how you know a storm's gonna come. When it's got both kinds of skies right at the same time, that's when you know it's not going to be safe. That's when you got to get in the basement and stay there. Let's get it. Welcome back to Storm Chasers. We got snow today, and to Jared, 97, who wrote in saying that the weather I cover is not real. That's real, and I don't appreciate your messages. Piece of shit. Go Bucks.